How to rent cars for the lowest price economy bookings, step by step. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rent cars for the lowest price economy bookings. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below. You'll find exclusive coupon codes, discount offers, and special deals that can help you save a lot on your booking. Alright, with that out of the way, let's jump right into it. First, open the economy booking website and enter your location. Then click on the search option. Next, click on the view deal option, followed by the continue to book option. Then fill in the required details, including first name, last name, email, and phone number. After that, click on the go to book option. And finally, click on the book now option, and you're done. Before you go, don't forget to check the link in the description again for all the latest and verified for the lowest price economy bookings before they expire. If this video helped you save money, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.